this moment in time. Dear God, I make a commitment in prayer with total faith and total willingness and total resolve to become your love in manifestation. I pray with everything inside of me, in a complete prayer from the top of my head to the bottom of my feet, that I become an expression of love, and that I have the same come to me in my life. I decree that I am a radiating center of divine love, and I'm mighty to attract my good and then radiate that good to others. God's Spirit of love, expressing itself through me, draws to me all that is needed in life to make me happy and make my life complete. And I go about my day making others' lives happy and complete. God, in your love, you pour out your abundant good upon me, and my life and world show forth in absolute perfect order. God within and about me is my very present help in time of need. And I do not think or dwell upon the past. I become a new creature in Christ, a loving creature in Christ, expressing the love of God. Forgetting the things that are behind, I press forward with Christ to a new life filled with love, happiness, success, and satisfying good. The victorious Spirit of Christ is in me and is equal to any occasion, so that I can be loving in all occasions. It is greater than any need, and in this moment of time, I am an expression of God's love. Everyone that comes in contact with me will come in contact with a loving presence that is loving not just some of the time, all of the time. I pray in my thoughts, in my voice, in my touch. I pray in everything that I do, every action, every reaction, that I am the love manifested of the Christ, and that I live not only during this prayer this way, not only this week, not only this month, but my whole life long, ever growing, ever magnifying in my effectiveness to love others and to accept love back. In